morning friends, once again welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about the CPR trading strategy, how to trade with the CPR. And as you know that CPR is the best indicator to predict the market before the market hours. So today we will discuss how to analyze and trade with the CPR for the current trading session. Okay, so let's start. Trading with CPR indicator and how to analyze it. Last time we have discussed about the types of CPR and identifying them. We have 6 types of CPR: narrow, ascending, inside, wide CPR, descending, and outside value CPR. So first of all, what we have to do is before the market hours, we have to identify the market trend with help of the CPR. And as we have discussed earlier, the ascending CPR and descending CPR will identify the long-term market movement, whether it is in bullish mode or bearish mode. If you have not watched the video, please do watch that video so that you will have a clear understanding about the types of CPR. So if the current CPR is in the ascending order, let's say ascending, you know that it is in the stair step, just like our stair step, it will make higher and higher CPR. Okay, this is called ascending CPR, and this indicates that the market for the long term has remained in the bullish trend or uptrend. Now what you have to do is that CPR in the uptrend market, the CPR will act as a support. So now how you have to trade? Now second step is to identify the market closing of the previous trading session. If the market has closed here above the CPR, while the long-term trend and current market trend is in the bullish trend, if the market has closed above the current CPR, then if the current trading session market opens above the CPR, market should open above the CPR, then current trading session will also remain in the bullish trend. You have to buy every dip or every corrections. Okay. Now you have to see that if the previous, in addition to that, if the previous CPR is very wide, and basically the current CPR will have a very narrow CPR, and here you will find the current day's trading session will have a trending movement, and you can buy a dip with the larger quantity. So it will remain it will provide you very big profits with the huge momentum and trending markets. Now if the previous trading session has a very narrow CPR, and probably almost 70% the market will have a wider CPR, which will indicate that previous trading session has a very trending or momentum trading session, but present market it will have a sideways. So you should avoid doing trading during this wide CPR because it will hit your stop loss regularly. So you better stop. Yeah. Another condition is that if the yesterday's CPR is wide and current trading session have a narrow CPR which is inside yesterday's CPR, then this period will have a very big momentum. It will either give breakout. So you have to look search for this type of opportunities. Now opposite of this, if the yesterday's CPR is very narrow and today's CPR, current CPR have engulfed the yesterday's CPR, then the market will have a very range bound market. It will remain as a range bound market or sideways. So you should avoid trading during these sessions. I hope that you have understood this. If the CPR is in the ascending order and previous day market has closed below the CPR, and the current CPR has opened the market below the bottom CPR, then the market sentiment have totally changed and it will remain in the negative way. So you should avoid such types of trading session. You have to trade only when the candle closes above the CPR, and if it is breakout that candlestick, then you have to go for that trading. Otherwise the market will remain either in sideways or it will go in the negative way. So you have to understand in that position. So CPR will help all the provide you all the signals of the whether the market has remained the same sentiment or it has changed the sentiments. And the current trading CPR will open 9:15. Right after opening the 9:16 to 17, you will have a CPR. And you can apply in any trading like forex or any commodity stocks, indices, or any other stock market. You can apply that CPR. It will work in every. So now what you have to do is you can identify the CPR, and once the market opens, the CPR will remain same throughout the day. It won't change. That's why we call it is a leading indicator, not a lagging indicator. It will provide you information before the market movement. The opposite of ascending is a descending CPR, which indicates that market has remained in negative. So now CPR will act as a resistance. Whenever the price approaches here, once you find any negative candlestick, you can short it and it will go down and down. Okay. Now condition for the current trading session, how to trade with use of current trading session. What you have to do is, if the previous day's trading session candles market has closed below the CPR, and the current trading session the market opens below the CPR, then the market will remain in the same sentiment or same trend. So you can short every time when the candlestick approaches to the CPR, the market sentiment has changed. However, if the market yesterday's trading session has closed above the CPR, same as here, let's consider it is a yesterday's CPR, and today's market opens above CPR, the market condition has totally changed now. So now you have to avoid going in the negative way in the selling side. Either you have to wait for the candlestick to close the below CPR and see whether the CPR act as a support or resistance, then only you can go for that. You can go with the trend in the bearish way. Now however, the inside CPR and outside CPR plus this thing, narrow CPR and wide CPR, it will apply in the same way. Okay, so these are the things that you should keep in mind. So if you like this video, please do like it, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share to other friends also. Now we have completed the basic level 2. Now we will go for the about the advanced level for the CPR. In the next video I will totally discuss about the very importantly about the Virgin CPR, how Virgin CPR is very powerful. So please do watch next video also. Thank you for your time. Goodbye and have a nice trading session ahead.